Yo, what's up, everybody? Excuse me, how y'all doing? Devin Baptiste here for a very quick tutorial showing you guys how you can practice your trading on TradingView. All right. So I know a lot of people use TradingView for their to do their technical analysis. Y'all excuse me, I'm dealing with my voice is kind of going out. But I know a lot of people use TradingView to do their technical analysis, but you can also trade live and you can practice with your paper trading. I don't know how many people know that. Okay, so check this out. When you come on TradingView and you log on, you just go down here to the trading panel, okay? And once you go to trading panel, you're gonna scroll. You can hit this X right here. No, this not the X, the box maximize panel. Okay. Now here you have paper trading. And here are the brokers, some of the brokers you can connect to. All right. You see, I have a star on TradeOvate. I use TradeOvate to trade futures, and I use Webull to trade my stocks and options. All right. Those are my brokers. However, I connect both to TradingView and I trade through TradingView. But if you want to practice, then you can come over here to paper trading. All right. Now mine is already connected, but once you hit it, it's going to give you an option of what do you want to you got to put in your information, and I think it starts with an account size. I'm not sure. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. I don't remember. But you can trade stocks, you can trade options, you can trade forex, and you can trade futures. And this is a futures trade that I'm currently in on my paper account. I just like to practice, keep it sharp. Even when I don't take live trades, I still practice paper trading. All right. And this, like I said, this is NASDAQ NQ right here. It's a paper trade I'm on. Let you guys take a look at it, see, and it shows you. All right. This is where I got in at right here. My stop loss up here, take profit down there. All right. And once you let me show you guys a quick rundown. Say, for instance, I wanted to trade gold. Okay. So you see they got the red numbers here and the red box and the blue box. If you're not able to trade it, it just shows a red outline or a blue outline. All right. So say, for instance, I wanted to buy gold futures, then I would click on the blue box and this will come up. Now you have market execution, you have a limit, and you can set your stop. But most of the time I do market. I did do a limit last night. I did pretty good on it as well. But most of the time I do market, and you can set your take profit. Here for units, here's where your contract size go. Whether you want one contract, two, three, four, whatever. All right. Then you can set your take profit. You can set it either in ticks or at price. Normally I just set my price level and it'll show you your potential profit right here. All right. Then you come over and you click stop loss. And same thing. You can set your ticks, how many ticks you want it to go for your stop loss, or you can set the price. And it shows you if it hits your stop loss, how much you would lose right down here. And it shows the percentage take profit, how much you put the percentage gain, 0.74, and stop loss, your percentage of loss, 0.25. All right. So I just wanted to, right here, see risk, 0.25%, risk, $250. All right. So your risk is always going to be how much you stand to lose. Okay. And your reward is how much you stand to win. All right. I just wanted to show that to you guys right quick. Devin Baptiste, Black Diamond Effects. If you don't have TradingView, I'm going to post my link. It is an affiliate link, just to let you guys know, but I will post my link down in the description. Click it, show some support, show your love, hit the like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll talk to you guys later. All right. Wish y'all have a great day.